1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Hey there, YouTubers. So I went to Harbor Freight and I got myself foldable sawhorses because I needed some sawhorses, and I didn't feel I was ready to make my own yet because I'd rather just get some that I know would possibly work. These are their foldable set, and these I think are like 40 bucks or so, but they're all metal. And unfortunately, the top part is made out of this like compressed board. It's definitely solid, but I know that this kind of material is not the strongest. Eventually, I'll probably replace it with some 2x6s or something. But let's put this together though. Let's see if it goes together, because I've heard some people complain about them, but let's see how it goes. It's not bad. So one thing I've learned is that bolt head with a lock nut, with a lock washer, and then a nut next to that turns it into a stationary. So now we definitely see how a lock ring can be very helpful. Okay, so let me put together the other one and then we'll put the tops on later. See you in a minute. Okay, everybody, so I don't like to read instructions, and I need to, and this is when I should have read the instructions from beginning to finish. So apparently the first step you're supposed to do is attach the boards to the bracket. I didn't do that. Now I gotta spend time taking off this top, putting it on the board, then putting it back on. I'm gonna spare you watching me do all that, and I'm just gonna admit that I messed up. I messed up. So, see you in a little bit when I get this assembled correctly, so you don't have to, see my mistake. See you soon. So after a long time of actually getting everything done correctly, they're finally assembled. Also, if you buy these and you do the tops, okay, the screws are cheap fasteners. They strip, in the Phillips socket easily. So I tried doing it with the drill. Don't do that. Okay, first thing you need to do is you need to pre-drill the hole. Okay, so take the screw, put it in the hole, and then just ease it down in and then back it right back out. Don't think that you can just screw it right down and then it'd be good. No, it'll strip. It's either go out and buy some better fasteners or be very careful and definitely pre-drill the holes. They have pilot holes, but I would suggest pre-drilling them, maybe just a little bit bigger, or use the screw to thread it already, and made it a lot easier going in. Although, even though I did pre-thread one of the brackets, it still wanted to stop in the middle and then, strip. So technically there's one spot that has like 3 points that are a lot more close than others. So, but they still feel pretty solid. The only problem is that if you wanted to put like a new board on it or a better board, my suggestion is get a better board, put that on before you put this on. Or you can also do like what a lot of carpenters like to do, is take a board and then either nail it right down to the wood or screw it or whatever, and boom, there you go. You protect your sawhorse bed. That I might do. But it's not a bad buy as far as I can tell. It feels pretty solid. And, it's got some weight to it. It's nice. Yeah, it's pretty good there, I think. But definitely don't get the plastic one. The plastic one's crap. So I bought these so that I could use them for future projects because, if you've seen, I got various other different tools that I got. I got myself a scroll saw. I'm very excited to use that. And one of my next upcoming projects is to make myself a workbench. But right now, these sawhorses are temporary for things that we need it. But definitely a good investment. Get yourself some sawhorses. And the ones at Harbor Freight, not bad. And if you got a coupon, definitely use that coupon. So until next time, we'll do more projects together. You take it easy.